Hi, this is Harry Forbes from ARC Advisory Group. I'm at the 2013 ARC World Orlando Forum. My guest here is Macieg Kranz. Macieg is Vice President and General Manager of the Connected Industry Unit of Cisco. Macieg, welcome to the forum.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
It's nice to see you. You're a traveling man. People think they know Cisco in terms of where you are in the industrial space because you've been in there for a few years. What do they know that isn't so? What's changing now in Cisco in the industrial market?
And it's a great question, Harry, and actually I get this question a lot. What happened, what changed, why now? When you think about kind of the waves of networking that Cisco went through over the last 30 years, in the 90s we focused on the office and connecting the office workers. In 2000s we focused on mobile revolution, the handsets and so forth. And now, as you mentioned, we've been in the industrial world for the last 8 or 9 years. But recently, we've seen the kind of a perfect storm with the convergence of IT and OT accelerating, with a convergence from multiple standards into Ethernet and IP. And we're also seeing a lot of applications with remote management, with big data analytics, cloud, that are driving new architectures and the opportunities for all the devices to get connected. So that's why we as a company are focusing now on IoT and the industrial world as a big next transition.
Okay. Certainly there's those kind of technological and network convergences going on, no doubt about it. But how is Cisco going to use this to help people in the manufacturing space specifically?
Great question again. When you think about some of the trends in the industrial space, our customers are looking at converging the automation, the control, and the business systems. And what they're asking us to do is to build a standard-based infrastructure platform that includes networking, that includes compute, that includes storage, that would enable that convergence. And as a result, our customers can run now and optimize remote management and monitoring, big data analytics, factory automation, and realize huge benefits in terms of reduced cost, improved uptime, and lower risk.
One of the things we've been talking about a lot at the forum is Internet of Things.
Yes.
And it's difficult for people to understand what the different companies, where they play, and where their strong points are. Can you talk about what is Cisco, where Cisco is in that space, and what distinguishes you from other players in the space?
I'm glad you mentioned it, and we've had this discussion as well. IoT, or Internet of Things, is a huge opportunity not only for us, for customers, but for the entire industry to work together. Our focus is on providing the infrastructure platform that would enable our partners from all walks of life, from the applications, from the integration perspective, to build solutions optimized for customers to take advantage of everything getting connected. So our focus is on connectivity, on integration with the cloud, on providing services including big data analytics capabilities, but all anchored around the network.
Okay. Well, Macieg, thank you very much for being with us today. It's always great to see you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
This is Harry Forbes from ARC Advisory Group. I'm at the ARC 2013 Orlando Forum with Macieg Kranz, Vice President, Cisco. Thank you very much.